So what we've done is we've changed the problem very slightly, okay? So it's exactly the same problem with Andy and Beth playing this game, but now what's happened is that they've played another round and Beth has won again. So now she's won the game 5 consecutive times. Andy is complaining again that the coin must be biased. Okay, even though previously when we flipped the coin 4 times, there was insufficient evidence to say that it was, or say that it may be. So, with 5 consecutive times, we're going to do the same thing again, the same hypothesis test, and see how it changes. So we write down, let P be the probability of getting heads again. We've got our null hypothesis, we've got our alternative hypothesis, and assuming H0 is true, we have exactly the we don't have exactly the same distribution. We now have the distribution with n as 5. Okay, so when we work out probability of x being less or equal to 0, this will be different. So now we go to our tables. Okay, n is 5. Go along to 0.5 and read off the x is 0, so 0.0313. 0.0313. Now this time, this is less than that 5% level, that 5% significance level. And so what that means is that we have reached into that boundary. And so this is a peculiar event, and peculiar enough such that we can say, and we've decided that at that point we can say that we have evidence to reject the null hypothesis. So in this we reject the null hypothesis H0, okay? So we can conclude there is evidence to suggest that the coin may be biased. So we don't have conclusive proof that it is, but we do have evidence that suggests that it may be biased. Okay, so yes, it's a woolly end to the problem, but at least you can see that the probability has changed, the situation has changed, and how that significance level really can turn things around, and how important that 5% significance level is. But also how many trials are made. Okay, so the larger the number of times, the larger the number of times that the tails came up, the more likely we were to reject the null hypothesis. So in the next video we're going to look at another example and see keep rolling on with these questions just to see how they change and differ.